Hello guys, my name is Gaurav Chauhan and today we're going to discuss about the topic Schwartz theory of basic human values. So the theory of basic human values try to measure universal values that are recognized throughout all major cultures. Schwartz theory identifies 10 such motivational distinct values and further describe the dynamic relation among us. So further we are going to talk about all the 10 that are distinct values and further described as the dynamic relation amongst all of them we're going to study in the next slides. So as we know, first of all, the purpose of this theory. So the purpose of this theory is to identify personal values that are robust across cultures and that can be explained diversity and conflicts in values. So this can help us explaining the diversity and the conflict in values in different cultures across the globe. So first of all, the features. There are 6 features of values. 6 main features are relevant to all values and described first. This is followed by an outline of 10 basic personal values with a guide to which are congruent and which conflicts. So we're going to discuss about the 6 values which are some are congruent and which there are some conflicts also there. So as the next slide shows, the 6 values are as follows. So first, values are beliefs linked to affect. When values are activated, they become infused with feelings. And values refers to desirable goals that motivate action. So some other values which are desirable goals motivates us for some actions. So values transcend specific actions and situations, and values can also serve as a standards or criteria for some people. Values guide the selection or evaluation of actions, policies, peoples and events. So these are also help in selection. So people decide what is good or bad. So according to these values, these desirable goals and the actions, whether they are good or bad, whether the value is good or bad, this is classified by the humans, or we get to know about them. So it also shows that whether the thing is worth doing or avoiding based on possible consequences for their cherished values. So the values help us deciding these all things, whether the value is good or bad, justified or legitimate, worth doing or avoiding. And further, these values are ordered by important relatives to one another. So different people have different values and they will be different in their cases. So someone thinks it's good, someone thinks it's good, someone thinks bad. So as per their importance relative to one another, these values are ordered. So people values from one order system of priorities that characterize them as individuals. So this characterizes people which are following some values as an individual. So the relative importance of multiple values guides action. Any attitude or behavior typically has implications for more than one value. The trade-off among relevant, competing values guides attitudes and behavior. So the attitude and behavior of a person is also a very important part about their values, as it guides them what the behavior of a people, what the behavior of a person or the attitude of a person is also described by the values. So further we're going to discuss about that there are 10 broad personal values. So these with the help of a pie chart, it's already clear and it's easy to understand that there is self-transcendence, openness to change, self-enhancement and conservation. So under these, like in self-enhancement, there is power achievement. In openness to change, there is self-direction stimulation. And in conservation, there is tradition plus conformity and security. So in conservation, we can show that the tradition is to be conserved. Okay, so there are different 10 broad personal values which are classified as this follows, and they are shown in the pie chart with different colors as well to look it easy. And after that, there are 10, these are classified as 10 broad personal values. They are listed as follows. So first is self-direction. Second, stimulation. Third is happiness. Fourth is achievement. Fifth is power. And security, conformity, tradition, benevolence, and universalism. So these are the 10 broad personal values which are described, like self-direction, stimulation, achievement. These are some broad personal values. So it depends upon person to person. But like achievement for a single person can be different to another person. A power, that this thing is a power to someone, which can also different for someone else. So it all depend on personal values. And as we have studied this, on the next slide, I'm gonna show you the practical applications. So I wanna make you think about the practical applications. So recent studies advocate that values can influence the audience reaction to advertising appeals. Moreover, in the case of that a choice and a value are intervened, people tend to pick up the choice that aligns more to their own values. Like if there is a conflict, that there are two values in front of a person, so he chooses to align towards the one which is according to him is a good value. So it depends on person to person, but if there is conflict between two values, one person according to him that it is more aligned towards the choice which is like more towards him, which is he thinks that yes, this is good for me and this is bad for me. So in that case, a choice and a value are intervened. People tend to pick the choice that aligns more to their own values. Therefore, models such as theory of basic values could be seen as increasingly important for international marketing campaigns, as they can help to understand values and how values vary between cultures. So this can help in international marketing campaigns, as different people, different countries, different cultures, they are different things, and different values are also different for some others. So we can help this theory according to get aligned interaction with the people for whom the value is, this value is good and other values are bad. So this helps in the alignment or attracting or increasing the international marketing campaigns. So that's it, and thanks for